Hello, my name is Anna Miliak, and I work in the Pittsburgh Steelers marketing department. A bit of a summary about the issue that we are trying to address is the fact that it takes far too long for fans to get through the gates on game days at Acrisure Stadium, so we are trying to shorten the wait time for them. This process is going to involve help from the marketing, ticketing, and stadium operations departments. With the help of these groups of people, we would like to update the technology around the stadium, have some more ticket scanners, and discuss a few other possible solutions. We're going to start this process via an email and then have some in-person meetings so that we can have some open communication and conversation, but we would also like to have things written as well. So, some background information on the Steelers as well as this issue. The Steelers are a fan-focused organization, and pleasing fans is their number one priority. They're one of the few teams around the league that have a wait list for season tickets. Again, they're one of the few fans around the league that sell out every game continuously, regardless of team performance. Fans are excited to get in the stands, and we truly have one of the most loyal fan bases in the game. So it is extremely important to us to maintain that relationship and provide the best fan experience because we know that that is what they're there for. That being said, one of the quotes or the mottos that the Steelers roll by is, "The standard is the standard." And they mean that in every way possible in this organization. So everything from the on-field product to the fan experience, they want everything to be the absolute best and to set the standard around the league. We have 4 possible solutions for speeding up the gate wait times. The biggest one is going to be updating the metal detectors. With the updated metal detectors, fans won't have to take anything out of their pockets. They'll be able to just keep walking and getting through the gates, which will keep the lines moving. With that, we would like to have some more ticket scanners so that fans can be helped as soon as they get through the metal detectors and keep moving right through. Along with that, we would like to also install some more internet routers around the stadium and update the ones that are in there. This is going to give fans faster internet speeds and make it easier for them to pull up their mobile tickets. And then along with that, we would like to have a rep from the ticket office floating the lines and helping fans access their mobile tickets before they get up to the ticket scanners. This is going to help with the ticket scanners being able to just scan the tickets and everybody being prepared once they get up there and not stalling the line at the last possible second, which will just help everything run a lot smoother. And then again, getting fans into the game easily without having them miss kickoff. That is our biggest goal, along with just speeding up the wait times in general. Like I had mentioned before, this is going to involve help from the marketing, ticketing, and stadium operations departments. So the marketing team is pretty much responsible for developing this plan and helping to make sure that we're keeping the sidewalks clear, keeping everybody moving, and really just developing this fan satisfaction plan. And then the ticket office is just kind of going to be that middleman, making sure that the marketing team isn't missing anything, making sure that they're going to be able to help staff with getting the extra ticketing office member floating the lines, and that the marketing team truly has an understanding of the way the ticketing process works so that we can work together to determine the needs for each day. And then the stadium operations department is going to be used primarily for the installing of the metal detectors as well as the internet routers. They're going to be there to make sure that everything is seamless there, everything that we have is approved and good to go. A timeline for this project. So phase 1 is going to begin on February 1st, 2023, with an email being sent out to start jogging the thoughts of everybody that is involved, as well as an outline and meeting agenda for our first in-person meeting. that we would like to have that Friday, February 3rd, 2023. That meeting is going to be used a lot to really just come up with an official plan, make sure that everybody is on the same page and happy with the plan that's in place. And then we'll have a meeting a week later on February 10th to make sure that everybody is good to go and that we all agree that the plan is what we would actually like to move forward with. Phase 2 will then begin on 3/6/2023. So in April, we will get everything ordered, the metal detectors, the internet routers, make sure that everything is going to be here and be ready to install, so that then the final part of this is that in June, once we have the metal detectors and the internet routers, everything can be installed throughout the stadium. Ideally, once they arrive in June, it takes about a week to get everything installed and it's all good to go. And then these devices and everything can kind of be test run whenever Acrisure Stadium is hosting concerts throughout the remainder of the summer. And then everything will really just be ready to go for that first preseason game at the end of August. So that is the plan of attack for this problem, and we hope that we are able to get everything resolved and ready to go for the kickoff of the first preseason game. Thank you.